Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Solve each equation and check your solution. Part A, 2 times the quantity 3x minus 4 equals 16. Part B, negative 3 times the quantity y plus 6 equals 9. Part C, 5 times the quantity 2w minus 1 plus 8 equals 33. Now let us work through the solution step by step. Our strategy for every problem is the same. First, distribute the number outside the parentheses to each term inside. Second, combine any like terms. Third, isolate the variable by undoing addition or subtraction first, then undoing multiplication or division. Finally, check the answer by plugging it back into the original equation. Part A, we start with 2 times the quantity 3x minus 4 equals 16. Distributing the 2 gives 2 times 3x, which is 6x, minus 2 times 4, which is 8. So the equation becomes 6x minus 8 equals 16. To isolate 6x, add 8 to both sides. 16 plus 8 is 24, so 6x equals 24. Then divide both sides by 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Therefore, x equals 4. Check replace x with 4. Inside the parentheses, 3 times 4 is 12, minus 4 is 8, then 2 times 8 is 16. That equals the right side, so x equals 4 is correct. Part B, we have negative 3 times the quantity y plus 6 equals 9. Distribute the negative 3. Negative 3 times y is negative 3y, and negative 3 times 6 is negative 18. The equation becomes negative 3y minus 18 equals 9. Add 18 to both sides. 9 plus 18 is 27, so negative 3y equals 27. Divide both sides by negative 3. 27 divided by negative 3 is negative 9. Therefore, y equals negative 9. Check, replace y with negative 9. Inside the parentheses, negative 9 plus 6 is negative 3. Then negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. That matches the right side, so y equals negative 9 is correct. Part C, distribute the 5 first. 5 times 2w is 10w, and 5 times 1 is 5, so we have 10w's minus 5. The plus 8 remains outside, giving us 10w's minus 5 plus 8 equals 33. Now combine the constant terms on the left. Negative 5 plus 8 equals positive 3. The equation simplifies to 10w plus 3 equals 33. Subtract 3 from both sides. 33 minus 3 is 30, so 10w equals 30. Divide both sides by 10. 30 divided by 10 is 3, therefore w equals 3. Check, replace w with 3. Inside the parentheses, 2 times 3 is 6, minus 1 is 5. Then 5 times 5 is 25 plus 8 is 33. That equals the right side, so w equals 3 is confirmed. To summarize, x equals 4, y equals negative 9, and w equals 3, and all 3 solutions were verified. The key pattern to remember is distribute first, then combine like terms, then undo addition or subtraction, and finally undo multiplication or division. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.